Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. Weekly pack hunting at the vending machine. Even though there are six empty slots, now this has become a mixed Hot Wheels and Matchbox vending machine. Anyway, let's start. The Big Air Bel Air in pink, Matchbox Delivery Express. Behind the Delivery Express, I see a yellow MG-B. And this red Cadillac is very nice. Hummer EV Aristo Red. The Coupe Model B. Behind we have a Toyota, a Lexus, I think. The Shell Renault Kangoo. Black Beetle behind. Green Beetle, sorry. Another Cadillac, a blue Audi, the Polo Master, the Garbage King. And we have the blue Lamborghini Miura. Three cars at the back. I see the blue Ford Escort, Batmobile in red. What's this dragging wagon? Fantasy casting, but not bad. And this blue Lotus, Ford Thunderbird. The Eliminator, and the pickup truck, and then the Lego car, and the muffin car. Now, what I'm interested is this Jay Leno's garage, the Mercedes, and the Countach. That thing, even though it's very nice, but we don't know what car is it. Then we have the Corvair. Let me get it out. So, okay, Jay Leno's tank car, the Corvair Yanko Stinger, and the McLaren. But what I got is this. Very nice. So say hi to Jay Leno. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.